Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 3 Series door handle, updated. Start by lowering the window and removing the interior door trim panel to access fasteners. Peel back the vapor barrier carefully to avoid tearing it. Locate the torque screws and the plastic clips that secure the handle and lock rod. Detach the linkage clip and slide the handle free while supporting the exterior skin to prevent scratches. With the trim exposed, gently release the clips around the door panel using a plastic tool and minimal force to avoid breakage. Remove screws under covers and inside the armrest, keeping parts organized in order. Fold the panel outward and lift to clear the top edge without bending it. Detach electrical connectors by pressing release tabs and set the panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scuffs or dents. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making updated guides. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want smarter money habits that might fund DIY projects like this. I found it motivating and practical, and it pairs well with saving for car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once access is clear, remove the torque screws holding the handle and support the handle exterior as you work. Unclip the lock rod and any electrical plugs, then tilt the handle to release its anchors. Work slowly to avoid scratching paint and keep a towel handy for protection. If the handle sticks, apply penetrating lubricant to pivot points and wiggle gently until it frees, then remove completely and inspect for wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.